Namaste and welcome to this morning stretch routine. It's a short 10 minutes practice. Let's get started by sitting sideways with our legs bent, hands towards the back. We'll gently welcome our hips with soft side bends on the knees. Go slow and just breathe with this. From here, just come back to center. Inhale nicely. Exhale completely. As your fingers are facing behind, you bend both the elbows and just sink your chest. Bring your chin to your chest if you like and breathe into the stretch. Inhale, extend the hands, and then exhale, bend it once more. You can also drop your chin back. Bring the chin to chest, straighten the hands, and then push the hips back. Bringing the left knee to the chest, hugging it nicely and opening to the left side. Lift up your spine as you inhale and exhale, look back and breathe. Allow the breath to help you twist, keeping the shoulders relaxed, face relaxed. Slowly coming back to center. Right knee to the chest and wrap it with your left arm. Inhale, lift up the spine, and exhale, look back, shoulders down, and breathe. Slowly come back center. Take your legs straight in front of you. From here, we'll just round our spine back. Exhale. Inhale, expand it up. If you can, keep your arms up and expand a little bit more. Exhale, round your back. Inhale as you expand. Push more and you'll feel that stretch in the back of your legs, on your thighs, on your hamstring, in the back of your knee. Exhale, round again. Inhale, sit up a little more taller. Exhale, release. From here, take your right heel above the left thigh and bend the knee. Just try to sit as straight as you can and cradle the leg left to right. Pushing the shoulders away from the ears. Breathe, relax your face muscles, relax your toes. And slowly let go of the leg, switching the side. Left ankle on the right thigh, bending the knee as much as your body allows you, allowing your spine to straighten and cradle it. Beautiful. Relaxing the toes, feeling that stretch in the hips. Slowly slowing it down and coming back with the both legs on the mat. We lift up into a reverse tabletop, so fingers back. Inhale, lift up the hips, drop your head. Exhale, push down. Inhale again, lift up. Weight on both hands and legs. Exhale, push down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, push it down. Last one, inhale, lift up. Hold it. Slowly bring it down. Lovely. From here, moving in the front, taking your hands ahead, wiggling your hips a little bit to find more space. Now press your palms down and look up as you're doing a Cobra stretch. Keep pulling the toes towards you and breathe. Slowly come back up. From here, we'll just do circling of the chest. So more in the front, less in the back. And try to not keep your spine like this, but instead aiming upwards and making a circle. 3 more times. And reverse. Beautiful. Just allowing more movement and accessibility in your legs. And then slowly move to the front. Reach for your toes, ankles, legs, wherever you are comfortable. And just surrender down. Slowly coming up. We'll go for lying down on our spine. Take your time to slowly ripple down onto the floor, onto the mat. From here, we just open up into butterfly. Trying to surrender and just get one with the Mother Earth. Slowly flap your wings. Slowly bring the knees to chest. Take your hands behind your head. Bring both the knees to chest and drop it on the left side. Look on the right side and just breathe, trying to keep both the elbows and shoulders on the floor. Slowly bring the knees to chest and switch sides. Bringing both the knees to chest once last. Give it a good, nice hug. Thanking yourself. Thanking this positive mind that you have and the efforts that you take. And gently spread your legs. Lie down and surrender to the Mother Earth. Enjoy this relaxation time. Thank you so much for practicing with me.